We're here at the IADC International Drilling Conference, and I'm here with John Clegg from Weatherford. John, good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you. John, to start with, what brings you to this event as a company?
Well, as a company, we see this as being the foremost event for drilling globally. It's one of the most important global conferences for SPE, and we always see the great and the good, the thought leaders, the decision makers in the drilling community here. This year we're here for a number of reasons, but one of the key reasons why I'm here is we're choosing this event to do the European launch of our new Magnus rotary steerable system. We launched the technology in the US in May of last year. Yeah. And then in the Middle East, in Saudi Arabia, in November of last year. We're now bringing it to continental Europe and the North Sea, and we're choosing this event to do our European launch and make customers here aware of what we have.
Can you tell us more about those technologies in the Magnus?
Sure. I mean, Magnus is a new generation rotary steerable system. Rotary steerable tools have been around for about 20 years, 25 years. I was lucky enough to be involved in some of the early days, but the market's changed a lot since they first came out. It was initially a niche product, and then migrated to more of a mass market product in an environment where oil prices were high. We now have it still being the majority of the directional drilling market, but in an environment where prices are much lower since 2014 and the crash in oil price. So now everybody's margins are a lot tighter than they used to be. And for a new generation tool, something that's going to be around for the next 10, 15, 20 years, we wanted to build something which is going to have cost effectiveness and sort of a high utilization, which is a key cost driver for rotary steerables built in. And also we see that there's a looming human capital gap. It's going to be difficult to get all the people that we need in future to be able to operate the tools that we have. And so we want to design tools that are very, very simple to use, very easy to train on, very intuitive. Yeah. And we tried to build that into the design of this tool from the get-go.
Yeah, so user-friendly is very important also for you.
User-friendly is extremely important, yeah. Intuitive to operate and easy to learn.
Yeah, yeah. If we look at the future, what kind of plans do you have as a company?
We continue to expand our deployment of the Magnus 675 tool. It's 6 3/4 inch tool that we have for 8.5 inch hole and similar sizes around the world. We are developing larger sizes, so we've done offshore work in Mexico already successfully, but we want to go to some of the other offshore locations around the world, including the North Sea. And in order to do that, we need larger size tools. So we're developing a 9.5 inch tool for 12 1/4 inch and similar hole sizes. We're actually field testing that successfully at the moment in Oklahoma in the US. And also a 11 inch tool for 17.5 inch and similar sizes. So we'll have a suite of tools for the larger hole sizes. And then following on from that, this year we're going to be developing a 4 3/4 inch tool for smaller hole sizes. That will almost certainly be deployed initially in the Middle East towards the beginning of next year. And then we begin to augment control capabilities, further enhancing automatic control of direction and improving wellbore quality, and ultimately going towards geologic control, so controlling the well based on distance to bed boundary or distance to the oil-water contact.
Nice. So much plans going on right in the future, I think.
There's plenty to keep us busy for a while, yeah.
Yeah, very good. Thank you so much for your story.